Today I'm taking a look at the 2-pound brass hammer. It says a full wooden handle, which is the exact style that I prefer. It says it is genuine hickory and has a very nice 2-pound brass head on the end. This actually looks a lot nicer than I was expecting. See, it is fully sealed on the top and nice and rounded on all the edges. This is actually a surprisingly nice brass hammer. So these things are great for like if you need to strike onto something, if you're going to be working near gasoline or anything like that, you want to be really careful about making sparks. This is not going to make sparks, so this is the exact style that you want to use. But what I use these for mostly is going to be for working on hydraulic cylinders, anything like that, something where I need to be able to smack it to actually get the thing to pop apart. I don't want to dent up the metal on that hydraulic cylinder. Since steel is harder than brass, what's going to happen is if I hit a corner, it's going to dent in the brass. It's not going to dent in the steel. So that's going to leave the hydraulic cylinder looking good, but it's going to beat this thing up. But that is way better because hydraulic cylinders are very expensive. We don't want to be beating those up. So this is a fantastic tool for that. So here we got a piece of steel, and I'm going to give that a whack with a steel hammer. There, so you can see what it did to the corner. Marred that up pretty good. Now, brass hammer is still going to do a little bit of marring, but the hammer itself is going to take most of the abuse. There you can see, we got our little mark right there. Way less than with that steel hammer. It looks like I hit it right on the corner. It did take a chunk out of that brass. So that's the benefit of using brass over steel, is that the hammer itself takes the abuse. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice tool.